Good afternoon guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a 1 year review on my Rampage soft top. So all up, I'm really happy with the soft top over the last year. It looks great, love the tinted windows. A couple things that I don't like is that some of the stitching that you would have seen in the start of the video is starting to go on some of the seams. It's not a big deal. I can probably just tie them off and cut them and they won't get any worse. For the price, you kind of expect that. If I was to pay anything over $700 and that started to happen, I'd probably take it back to the manufacturer straight away. But because it is a cheaper eBay type, that I'm not too concerned. But one of the biggest things that I've had an issue with that I would definitely recommend is going with a different styled windshield channel. If you're going with the bowless type, if you go with just a factory style type, you don't have to replace that. But if you go with the bowless, you have to change this windshield channel header that attaches to these latches here. I had big problems with my one not fitting properly, and I know that other people have had the same issues with the Rampage ones as well. They might have sorted it out by now, but I'd recommend just buying a best type or a different brand. I'd probably stay away from the Rampage one just in case you've had the same problems as I ran into with that channel not fitting properly. It definitely put a sour taste in my mouth, especially after contacting the company and they're not doing anything about it. But I've had friends who bought the same soft top Rampage and then bought just a different header and they've had no problems whatsoever. So I definitely recommend that when you're looking to buy one. But all in all, I'd probably rate this probably 5 slots out of 7. So definitely not a bad rating for the price. Again, if you're looking for a cheaper soft top, it's a great option. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and like button and I'll see you next time. Thanks.